Why are there no indication of curvature on maps? Some days ago I was on a flat earth channel, and in the comment section I was discussing navigation and maps, and then a flurf appeared.
Yeah, that's me.
Yes, it was this one, and he did make this comment.
Arctic Reflections. Every map is flat, you silly scammer.
And I replied, there are many map projections. Which one of all map projections is, according to you, the flat earth map? The map that you can navigate on a flat earth. And he did give me this reply.
Arctic Reflections. Show us a map with curvature drop between two locations, please.
Oh dear. Let's use this map or this chart. It's about Florida and the area around Cuba and so on. So if we would indicate or mark out the curvature on the earth on this chart, how would it look? We start at this position and make some circles, and then I will move to this location. Let's make some circles, and to this location, and repeat the process, make some circles to indicate the curvature. And then this one. Do anyone see the problem with this? You have to do the circles depending on your location. So, to have indication of curvature on a map, you couldn't see the map behind all the circles. Or the map was only usable at one location. And the next question I asked him, what use would you have of having the curvature marked on the charts or the maps? He did give me this reply.
Arctic Reflections. So, I guess that's no, is I can't show you any map, or any type of navigation, with any kind of curvature, or, all maps are flat earth maps.
A typical flat earther. He lack all basic knowledge about maps, map projections, and anything. But he is not the first one making the silly statement about curvature on Earth, and he will not be the last one. Once again, I want to thank you all helping me, helping Ukraine. I'm raising money to send drones to Ukraine, and many drones have been sent already. If you want to help me, please use PayPal. This was a shorter video, but I think it was quite funny. This week I'm quite busy working, so I'm not sure when I will be back with the next video, but something will come up this week. Next week I have much more time to make content. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day all. Bye.